Well, I'm delighted to be here with Michael Zhu from FoxESS. Fox is the friendly fox. The friendly fox that snuck up from nowhere, and now you account for the #1 market share in Australia for batteries.
Yes.
Wait, how did you do that?
We can only make this possible with this cheap home battery program. You know, this is really impressive to everyone. I'm very happy we are #1 in Australia. We installed more than 20,000 units on April, 1 month.
In April, one month, 20,000 units.
Yeah, more than that.
Wow.
You know.
So not just #1, but #1 by a very big margin.
Yeah.
Michael, I think in Australia, we're changing the energy system.
Absolutely.
And together working with FoxESS, we want to talk about actually changing the entire world.
Absolutely. Yeah, I truly believe PV plus battery is the best solution for energy industry.
No question.
Yeah.
Hey, I was recently up in China and I was at the launch of your new factory. So super impressive.
Yeah.
Michael, congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Great
Joe.
job.
Thank
Great
you.
job.
FoxESS!